Yeah, children, paper number 4, assertion and reasoning, 14th question, first question, 13th question. Only assertions and reasonings, children. Assertion I'm reading, tell me correct or wrong, children. Pupil is black in color.
Yes, sir.
Pupil is black in color. No, pupil don't have any color. Iris is
Sir,
black in color. Iris is black in color. Pupil is an aperture. Pupil is an aperture. Pupil is an aperture. Okay, so pupil is black in color as no light is reflected into it. Pupil is black in color as no light is reflected into it. So children, as this is also wrong, children, both are wrong. Assertion and reasoning both are wrong. There is no option, children.
E.
Okay, E it may be. Okay, because pupils, this iris is black, pupil is the aperture. Okay, next question. But reasoning is correct only, children, because no light is coming, it is black. No light is coming because it is black. Therefore, we can go for D also, children. D option. Children, pupil is not having any color because no light is reflected. First of all, it is a hole, children. It is an aperture. Next question. Concave mirrors are used as reflectors in torches, vehicle headlights.
False.
True.
True, sir.
Concave mirrors are used in headlights. True. Please mute your audios. Concave mirrors are used in headlights. True. Concave mirrors are used in headlights. True. Reason. Concave mirrors, when object is placed beyond the center of curvature of a concave mirror, the image formed is real and inverted. Image formed is real and inverted. Reasoning is also correct, but this
But
is
not
correct
correct.
explanation.
That's the right
Because
explanation.
object is kept at focus. When you keep object at focus, the image will come at
Infinity.
means parallel beam of light rays will go. Parallel beam of light rays will go. Object is kept at focus. Object is kept at focus, children. Object is kept at focus. Okay. Next. Over, no, children.
So what is the right option, sir, for 14th?
This is not correct explanation. This is B is the option.
B, right, sir? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What they give a reason is correct, but not correct explanation.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
please go to next paper, children. Paper number 5. Assertion reasoning. Please go to paper number 5. Can anyone tell the page number?
141.
Yeah, children. Assertion and reasoning 141 page number, children. Paper number 5, 13th question, children. Assertion I'm reading out, please tell me the answer. Bending a wire does not affect electrical resistance. Bending a wire does not affect electrical resistance. Is it true or false?
True. True.
Children, actually, we will true or false. Let me see the reason and tell. Children, see here. If you bend like this, nothing will happen. But if you bend like this,
Thickness will increase.
So let me see the reason and conclude the answer, children. See the reason. Resistance of wire is proportional to resistivity. Reason is high. Resistance is proportional to resistivity. Reason is
Wrong.
perfectly wrong. Assertion, bending of wire changes the resistance. Let us give true. Okay. So what is the option, children?
C.
C is the
Sir.
option.
Yes.
Bending. If you bend like this, children, thickness will increase, children. Okay. Next one. 14th question. Autotrophs can produce food on its own.
True.
Yes, sir. True.
True.
By photosynthesis, they produce food, children. Okay, next. Green plants can absorb energy of sunlight that falls on the leaves.
True, sir. A. Option is A.
And
Correct
there is also
explanation.
Correct explanation.
A. Option A.
Option A. Can anyone help paper 6 page number? Paper 6 page number.
One 154.
154. Yes, children. 154.
No, sir, 155, sir. Assertion reason.
Okay, Nana. So thank you so much. 155, children. Go to 155 page number, children. All of you. 13th question. 155 page number. I am doing, children. First assertion. Children, the stars twinkle while the planet. Please, man, I am getting disturbance. How many times should I say? Stars twinkle, plants do not.
True.
True.
Yes, sir.
True. Stars are much bigger in size than the planets.
False.
True.
This is true, but not
True,
correct.
but not
Not
correct
correct
explanation.
explanation.
Okay, children. So, what is the answer? B.
B.
Okay, children. Stars twinkle while the planets do not. Correct. Stars are bigger, also correct, but it's not correct explanation. Why do stars twinkle? Because atmospheric refraction.
Refraction.
Okay, children. Like that, you should be answered. Reason. This is 13th and 14th one. Children, human beings have a complex respiratory system.
True.
True, sir.
Of course, it is true. Human skin is impermeable to gases.
True. But not correct explanation.
It is also correct explanation, and it is also correct explanation. True. A is answer. Let me explain. Because we are not able to take our gases through the skin, we have a complex respiratory mechanism. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
If you can take through the skin, why you require that much complex mechanism? No need of breathing, no need of expiring, no need to go to alveoli, no need of mitochondria, all these things.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood, Nana. So that is okay, almost correct explanation. Okay, paper number 7. Can anyone tell me page number?
170.
Paper 170. Children, we should be very careful, Nana, because this is very what is means sensitive questions, children. Here only chances are there for you to lose the marks. Best of the best students also, because what we think and what they think also sometimes it will go wrong, children. But what in my experience I can say, in board exams they will give easy one only, children. Okay, please do not commit any type of mistake, children. Please review the question, what you wrote, answer again and again. Okay, first question. Assertion: bile is essential for fat digestion.
True.
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 It is liberated by liver. Fats cannot be digested without emulsification.
True.
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 False.
Correct explain.
Fats can be digested without emulsification also. Fats cannot be digested without emulsification. Children, fats. Okay.
So, sir, without emulsification, it will be difficult, but we can do it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm feeling, Nana, because see, fats are emulsified by the bile. It is true. Fats are emulsified by the, but fats cannot be digested without emulsification is wrong. Without emulsification also we can do. Okay, let us give this also true only, and it is correct explanation only. We'll go for A, Nana. That's what I'm saying, no children. Lot of confusion will be there. Without emulsification also we can. But he's saying if liver is not there, what do you feel? That is the problem. Jaundice, this, and eventually person will die, children. Very dangerous. Okay, next one. The word ambulance on hospital vans is written in the form of mirror image. Is it true?
Yes, sir. True.
True.
True. The image formed in a plane mirror of the same size as that of the object.
Sir, true, but
True,
not.
but not correct
explanation
explanation.
of
What is the
the.
correct explanation?
Lateral inversion.
Lateral inversion takes place. Lateral inversion takes place. Okay, that is the correct explanation. So option is B. Can anyone help me? Page number 8. Page number
184.
184.
184. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Please, children, all of you open and do, children, because assertions and reasonings are very important. Okay, last year only they have added all these things. So please, children, much questions are not there. Whatever we have, we should use it wisely, children. 13th one, A. Assertion I'm reading out. Please see here. A 200 watt bulb glows with more brightness than 100 watt bulb.
True.
True. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
100 watt will glow definitely more than 10 watt, no, children. A 100 watt bulb will have more resistance. That is also true.
True.
And correct explanation also.
A.
So
A,
option
sir.
is A. Okay, so the next one. Nitrogen is a non-metal.
True, sir.
True.
Superb. True. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons.
True.
True, sir.
But
Yes, correct explanation. 5 valence electrons means it will take electrons, no children. 5 valence electrons means it will take 3 electrons to attain stable. That because it is taking electrons, it is non-metal. So A. Okay, children. 5 valence electrons are there. So its valency will become -3. -3 means it will take electrons. Taking electrons is the tendency. Okay, na children. You are thinking, sir. Reasoning should be as it is taking electrons. You are thinking like this. Also, they can give no problem, children. I am telling now, children, many of the times a lot of ambiguity will be there, means confusion will be there. So you should be very careful, children. Next one. Page 9.
199, sir.
children, pupil is black in color. Pupil is black in color.
False.
True.
Right,
Sorry,
right.
false. Pupil is black in color as no light is reflected on it. True. Okay, children. So answer is C. Actually, pupil is in aperture, children. How can you expect color? The opening and closing of a pore is the function of guard cells.
True.
The opening and closing is the function of guard cells. True or false?
True.
True, sir.
Reasoning. Stomatal pores are the site of exchange of gases.
True, but not the correct explanation of this.
Sir, by diffusion it will.
Anna, they change the stomatal pore opening and closing depends upon change in
Water concentration.
water concentration. Change in water concentration, not by diffusion or gases, whatever it is.
But he told diffusion only, sir, here. So it will be wrong.
Stomatal pores are sites for the exchange of gases by diffusion. No, water is not there. No, water you should talk. Compulsory water only, that's all.
Okay.
Paper number 10, can anyone tell me page number? Page number?
213.
213, sir.
Thank you, children. If you tell page number directly, I'm going there. Yes, children. Fuse wire must have high resistance and low melting point. High resistance and low melting point. High resistance and low melting point. High resistance. False. It should have low resistance. If fuse don't have low resistance, current cannot go, children. Obstruction will occur. Next, fuse is used for small currents flow only.
False.
False.
It is used for big currents also. No option.
E.
Let us go for D, children. If E is not there, let us go for D. If E is not there, let us go for D. Next, though the same current flows through the line wire and bulb, but heat produced in the filament is high. Heat produced in the filament is high.
True, sir.
True. Why? Because filament has
High.
Has high resistance.
High resistance. The filament of bulb is made up of material of high resistance.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Correct explanation A.
Filament is made up of high resistance, high melting point. Filament is made up of high resistance and high melting point. Filament is made up of high resistance and high melting point. Page number 11. Can anyone help me out?
229, sir. 228.
Yeah, children, in a given circuit, children, they have given a circuit, please say, in a given circuit, lamp B, oh my goodness, I am drawing, children, here. If I draw, I hope you can understand those who don't have the paper. So this is one bulb, here one bulb is there, children, and here one bulb is there, children. They are connected in parallel, and one more thing is coming like this, there is the battery here. Now let's go for the assertion, children. First one, assertion. A lamp B or C fuses, then light emitted by lamp A decreases. Children is saying if B or C fuses, then light emitted by lamp A decreases. Children, if this or this fuse, if this or this fuse, he is saying this will increase. Is it true?
Sir, false. No?
I will help you, children, then you tell me answer. Suppose imagine 10 amperes is coming. 10 amperes here it will come. It will divide into 5 and it will divide into 5. Suppose this is not working. Full 10 amperes will go through this only. But here 10 amperes is only coming. Will there be any change?
No, sir.
No change.
So that is the answer.
False.
If 2 are there, they will share 5. If 1 is there, 1 only will take 10. You are able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, voltage in A decreases. Children, voltage in A decreases.
False.
False.
So, Children, voltage, how much they want, that much only they will take, children. Because of this, it will not happen anything, children. But even children, I have small confusion. Let me do the numerical, children. Even I am getting confusion. I am doing numerical for you, children. Please excuse me here, children. I have to do because I am getting small confusion here. Let me do. I will do, children. So, please mute your audience, children. So this is like this, children. Imagine some, this is, children, let us take, this is 10 homes, this is 10 homes, this is also 10 homes, and let me say this is 1 by 10, 1 by 2, 5, this is some 30 volts, children. Let me say 30 volts. I am doing just, children, because I am getting confusion here. These both are in parallel, children. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, how much, children?
2 by 10, 10 by 2, 5.
1 by 5. This total is 5, children. This total is 5. 5 plus 10?
15 ampere. 15 ohms.
Current is how much, children? I is equal to V by R.
30 by 15, 2 amperes.
2 amperes will come. Basically 2 amperes should come. Basically 2 amperes. Now one of them is fusing. One of them is not working. Now what will be the total resistance?
20 by 15.
10 plus 10.
So 20 by 15. So 30 by 20.
No, no. If one is fusing 10, 10. Total resistance is 20 ohms. Current is, voltage is?
30 by 20.
I is equal to 30 by 20. What is happening?
1.5 amperes.
amperes is coming. Initially 2 are coming. Now it is only 1.5 amperes is coming. What he said, in the given circuit, the light emitted by A decreases. Children, initially 2 is coming. Now only 1.5 is coming.
True,
Assumption
sir.
is correct. I was getting that for children. I'm sorry, children, because without doing numerical I told. Now let us see voltage drop is occurring or not. Let us see, children. Voltage drop. Initially we will do, finally. Originally, children, V10 is equal to IR10. I is how much, children? 2 into 10, 20 volts. This is 20 volts. 30 minus 20 is 10 is there. So this 10 here and here 10 volts, 10 volts. Now in the second case, V10 is equal to IR10. How much current is coming, children? Next second case, 1.5 into 10. 15 volts. Voltage decreased. Reasoning also true.
Correct
So reasoning is
explanation.
correct explanation of assertion. So answer option is A. I'm very sorry, children, without doing I told. So that's why, children, you should be very, very careful. I'm telling you, children, you should be very careful. And also, please, if you have any doubts, please check like this and do, children. I got doubt, immediately I said I will check. Next, human, frog and bird have common ancestor.
True, sir.
No. Humans, frogs and
Paul.
birds don't have common ancestor, children.
Different
Humans,
species.
they all are, no. Human and birds have common ancestor, but frog is not. Human and birds have reptiles as ancestors. Unnecessarily he kept frog, children. Let me see, children. Let's see reasoning, then we will discuss. Limbs of human, frog and bird are homologous. True. This is false. What is the answer?
D.
D, sir.
B. Children, humans and birds have reptiles as common ancestors. Reptiles. But frogs means amphibians. Reptiles ancestors are amphibians. Amphibians ancestors are fishes.
Sir, human and birds means platypus you're referring, sir.
What, Nana? Human and?
Birds, common ancestor means you're saying platypus, sir.
No, platypus is connecting link between humans, mammals and reptiles.
Oh.
And Archaeopteryx bird is the connecting link between birds and reptiles. See, from reptiles, birds and mammals came. They came like this, they came like this. They don't have any link. We don't have any link. But we have link with reptiles. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
This is duckbill platypus between reptiles and mammals. And here Archaeopteryx bird is there.
But sir,
Ama.
I've heard that humans also have like a link to like another fish, an ancient fish called Tiktaalik or something.
Fisher. Related to fisher.
Like, yes, sir.
No, no, no. How we are related Nana, to the fisher? No, not like that. Next question, children. Children, next, what is the paper number, children? We have to go.
234, sir.
Paper number, Nana?
12.
Sample paper 12, children. Paper 12. Can anyone help me page number?
240.
234.
Yeah, 234 page, children. Please see in the 234 page. Assertion they are saying generally the color of indicators change in particular pH range.
True, sir.
Of course,
True.
it is true. Indicators particular pH range, it will change. Okay. Next, reasoning. Indicators are weak acids or weak bases and exhibit different colors in molecular form and ionic form. That reason is also correct and that is correct.
And correct explanation A.
Answer is A. Okay. 14. The stars twinkle while planets do not.
True.
True, sir.
Again true. The stars are big.
True.
True, but not.
But not correct
Not the
explanation.
correct explanation.
Next, please go to paper number 13. Can anyone tell me paper number 13, page number?
240.
Page, children. 13th question. Assertion. The energy of charged particle moving in a uniform magnetic field does not change. Children, energy of a charged particle moving in a uniform magnetic field does not change. That is true. Uniform magnetic field, it won't change, children. Work done by magnetic field on the charge is 0. Work done by the magnetic field on the charge is 0 because displacement is 0. Children, because in one circle rotation, initial point and final point are same, so the displacement is 0. If displacement is 0, work is 0. So correct explanation only, children. This is so answer is A. This is not there for your syllabus, children. Little bit beyond your syllabus. Please try to understand, children. Acquired traits cannot be passed from one generation to another generation.
True.
True.
True, sir.
Inaccuracy during DNA copying of acquired trait is minimum.
True.
Inaccuracy during DNA copying of acquired traits is minimum. Reasoning is
True,
also
sir.
true.
Correct
and also
explanation.
fantastic
Correct explanation.
A.
Okay, correct explanation. Okay, next one.
Sir, can you explain that again?
Which one?
That question.
This
Voice broke. Yeah, yes, sir.
He is saying acquired traits cannot be passed to next generation. True, because DNA changes are change in DNA is not occurring. He said.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That's all. Children, paper number 14 can help me. Page
46.
Huh?
Page number 246, sir.
Yeah, children, mute your audios. 246 page 13th. Assertion. Acetic acid is a monobasic acid. What is monobasic acid, sir? You will ask now. I know. In 9th class we studied. Anyone remember? Monobasic acid means what? Which has one replaceable H plus ion. On decomposition, you will get CS3COO minus H plus. One H plus is there. So monobasic acid. Monobasic acid. H2SO4. Dibasic acid. H3PO4. Tribasic acid. HNO3.
Monobasic.
Monobasic
Sure, but in
acid.
CH3COOH4 hydrogens are there, no, sir?
Nana, but these hydrogens won't come out, I said millions of times.
Okay, okay.
Because the
Yes.
hydrogens are not coming out, it is weak acid, I said. It is undergoing partial decomposition, I said. Those hydrogens are not coming. If all hydrogens would have come, acetic acid would have been strongest like sulfuric acid also.
Okay, sir.
So monobasic acid, true. Reasoning, let us check reasoning. Acetic acid is a weak acid and produces ion concentration of H plus ions.
Yes, true.
It is also true, but not correct explanation.
explanation.
They should say it is giving one replaceable H plus ion. It is giving one replaceable H plus ion. It is giving one replaceable H plus ion. Next, chemical properties of elements belonging to the same group are same.
True.
In a group, all elements have same properties. Yes. In a group, all elements have same properties. Elements that belong to the same group possess the same number of valence electrons.
True.
True, and therefore it is also correct explanation is the answer. Because they have same valency, they have same properties. Because they have same valency, they belong to same group, they have same properties. Because they have same valency, they belong to same group and they have same properties. Same properties elements are only kept in one group, no children. Paper number 15, can anyone help me children please?
Completed, sir.
All over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So children, this is some of the assertions and reasoning questions children. Hope you all understood.